You've saved dollars. But if you don't know where, when, and how to use them, your savings may not protect you when it truly matters. This video isn't about how to save money. It's about how to position your dollars so they actually work for you during uncertain times. Because having savings and knowing how to use savings are two completely different skills. You have dollars in your bank account, yet you still feel financially insecure. That's the modern money paradox. We assume money equals safety, but unstructured money does not create security. During the 2008 financial crisis, millions learned this the hard way, even experienced investors. But one investor approached it differently, Warren Buffett. He famously treated cash not as idle money, but as strategic power. To him, dollars weren't just savings, they were flexibility. Today, we're going to talk about how your saved dollars should actually be used, especially in uncertain times. We live in an unstable financial era. Salaries increase slowly, expenses rise quickly, uncertainty appears without warning. Let's say you've saved some dollars. Then suddenly, a medical emergency hits your family. Your car gets into an accident. Your job becomes unstable. Your business revenue drops. The issue is not that you don't have money. The issue is that your money may be locked in the wrong place. Many people invest everything in stocks, in long-term savings schemes, in real estate. Then, when they urgently need cash, the market is down. Selling means losses. Waiting means stress. In 2010, the Dhaka Stock Exchange experienced a dramatic crash. In a single day, the index fell around 660 points. Many investors had taken margin loans. They invested their own dollars and borrowed dollars. When the market fell, they lost both. The core problem wasn't investing. It was having no reserve fund. Financial storms do not send invitations. They arrive suddenly.
Why do intelligent people make this error? Because our brains exaggerate recent success and underestimate risk. Behavioral finance calls this recency bias. If markets have been rising, we assume they will continue rising. In 2006, many Americans believed housing prices would never fall. Then came 2008. Benjamin Graham, the mentor of Warren Buffett, once said, "Investing is most intelligent when it is most businesslike." A real business never operates without liquidity. It never puts 100% of its capital at risk. Another force is emotional comparison. We see others getting rich. We feel urgency. Why not me? That urgency quietly destroys financial stability. The truth is simple but uncomfortable. You don't survive long-term investing because of returns. You survive because of liquidity. The solution: 3 practical steps. Step 1. Build an emergency dollar fund. Keep at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in liquid dollars. This money does not go into stocks. It does not go into high-risk investments, is not loaned to friends. It exists for one purpose: unexpected events. Psychologically, this changes everything. When markets fall, you don't panic sell. When income slows, you don't feel desperate. This is your financial fire drill. Corporations conduct fire drills even when there is no fire, because preparation reduces damage. Your emergency fund works the same way. Step 2. Create a liquidity layer before investing. Not all dollars should behave the same. Divide your savings into layers: immediate access dollars, medium-term stability, long-term investments. History shows major economic downturns happen roughly every 7 to 10 years. If you hold liquid dollars during downturns, you become the buyer, not the victim. During the 2008 crisis, Buffett deployed billions into strong companies at discounted prices. Others were forced to sell. He had cash. Liquidity creates opportunity. Step 3. Separate emotion from financial decisions. Greed wants speed. Wealth requires patience. Before using your dollars, ask yourself, is this decision based on long-term stability or short-term excitement? Financial discipline is not about earning more. It's about controlling impulse. Many people lose money not because they lack intelligence, but because they lack emotional control. Slow money survives. Fast money often disappears. Closing reflection. You may have dollars in your account, but that does not automatically make you secure. Security comes from structure. Earning dollars is skill. Investing dollars is knowledge. But preserving dollars, that is wisdom. Tonight, look at your savings differently. If tomorrow brings an economic storm, will you be forced to react? Or will you already be prepared? Because we cannot predict financial crises, but we can decide whether we face them ready or exposed.